Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto Thinkphone device, and I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. There are three aspects that can slow down your device. First aspect, onboard memory. Second aspect, RAM. And third aspect, harmful files. So first aspect, onboard storage. The internal storage of your device is a limited resource, and if you will fill up your storage over than 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So, if you don't want to start of slowing down your device, just not fill up your storage over 70%. So, if you want to check how much space you have, your phone consumes, just open settings, find storage here, and you will see, in my case, I have used only 8% of my storage. 8% is only 21 gigabytes of 256. If you want to, your system works always good, just not fill your storage over 70%. And the best way to make your phone faster, always keep 30-40% free storage. Okay, 30% is really good condition. So okay, if you want to release space, you can remove unused applications, for example, or you can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. For example, Google gives you 15 gigabytes for free in Photos application. Just open Photos, and here you will have turn on backup button, turning on backup. You can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage, and then you can, after that, you can click free up space and just free up space from your device. Great. The second step to to free up memory on your device is to remove your downloads. To do it, find files app, continue, allow, find downloads, and as you can see here, I have in downloads 700 megabytes. So just open downloads, click select all, or just select large files, click remove, and great, that's it. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. If you want to release the RAM, just swipe from up to down, and remove all apps from RAM. And the third aspect that can slow down your device is harmful files. To remove harmful files, just find Files application, click Clean, and just click Clean Junk Files. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.